All right, class. Wow, I was very impressed with how well you read with a partner today and with how you found the very important details of the story. So now we're going to transition into writing, and we are still going to be talking about informational text, except this time, you get to be the author. How cool is that? I know you are all very, very smart and that you know a lot of things. You tell me every day different facts and details about things. So, this is the first thing that we are going to talk about is that you are all going to be able to write informational text. Now, yesterday, you all filled out your paper that looked like this, that had all your lines on it, and you all told me things that you know a lot about. For example, Miss Schultz knows a lot about tennis. Miss Schultz knows a lot about camping. Miss Schultz knows a lot about reading. I know a lot about horses. What else do I know a lot about? Oh, Miss Schultz knows a lot about basketball. And I know a lot about... Oh, Miss Schultz knows a lot about holidays. I like holidays. So you all made a list. I know some of you had dogs and sharks and snakes. You made a list of things that you told me that you knew a lot about. So we're going to be using those lists today to create our informational text. You're going to be getting a sheet of paper that looks like this. Informational writing. And this. And at the top it says topic sentence. So this is what you're going to tell me what you know a lot about. Many of you said that you made your list. You're going to pick something on your list. So I might say, I know all about tennis. So my topic sentence, I would say, I know a lot about tennis. You could say, tennis has a lot of rules. That could be my topic sentence. Or you could say, there are many things to know about tennis. Those are all topic sentences. Turn to your sharing partner. Think about something that you could write about and tell them your topic sentence. So you might say, if my sharing partner was Lindsay, I would say, I want to write about basketball. I know a lot about basketball, could be my topic sentence. Or, there are a lot of things to know about basketball. So, turn to your partner, take turns. One person will share their topic sentence, and someone else will share their topic sentence. Go ahead. Okay. Oh, I love how we're remembering to take turns and how we're remembering to stay on topic when we do our sharing partners. Could someone share what they said? Yes. I know a lot about snakes. Very cool. Yes. I know a lot about math. Very cool. Those are all good topic sentences. So that's what you would pick. So first, you're going to pick your topic out of your list that you made. So that's your first thing you do. Then you're going to write your topic sentence. So my first thing was tennis. So I'm going to put a check mark there because that's what I'm talking about. Then I move on to my topic sentence. And then comes the fun part. Fact 1. What is one of the facts that I could write about tennis? You need a racket and a ball to play tennis. That's one of my facts. You need a racket out what you said. Maybe Jose said, I know all about snakes. So he might say, snakes have scales. That could be his fact. So turn to your sharing partner. I want one person to share a fact and the other person to share a fact about what you are writing about. Okay? Go ahead. Great. Could someone share a fact, please? Yes. First, tell me your topic. Swimming, okay? What's your topic? You need an adult to watch you swim. That is a great fact. That's something that you have to do. That's something important. It's a key detail. Great. I heard some other wonderful ones too. Now we did one. Now we have to do 2 more. Just like we did 4 sticky notes, today we're going to do 3 important facts about our topic, which at mine is tennis. So fact number 2. You can play singles or doubles. That is a fact about tennis. You can play singles or doubles. I remember my capital and my period. So think of another fact. Think, think, think. Share with your same partner. Are you talking to your partner about tennis? No, you're talking to your partner about what you are going to choose to write about. Go ahead. Very good. I heard some awesome ones. And I have to say, I'm very, very happy that you're talking about this. I don't hear anyone talking about what they're doing after school or anything like that, so very good. Now lastly, we're going to do one more fact. Fact number 3. What could be my 3rd fact about tennis? My 3rd fact is, you have to win. Let's see, my 3rd fact, what would I want to say? The server keeps score. That could be one of my facts. The server keeps score. Capital, period, and it's another fact. It's not an opinion. Tell me this, could I write tennis is the best sport ever? Is that a fact? Hand on your head if you think it's a fact. No, you're right. It's not a fact. That's my opinion. How about this? Could I write, I like tennis? No, because it's not a fact. It has to be something that's true. Something that's an information about it. Okay? Great. We're not going to share for this one because you've done a great job. So you know that you would write fact 1, fact 2, fact 3. And then at the end it says conclusion sentence. And this is where you would come back to. So far your story says, I know a lot about tennis. You need a racket and a ball to play tennis. You can play singles or doubles. The server keeps score. And that closing sentence could be, tennis can be a fun game to play. Now, your closing sometimes can be a little bit more of an opinion because it's not a fact. It doesn't say fact. So this is where you would write, tennis can be a fun game to play. Or, tennis is played all around the world. Even though that is a fact, but it could be, oh, that is all I know about playing tennis. So I could say, that is all I know about playing tennis, or tennis can be a fun game to play, or something like that. Okay? Cool. Now, when you get done, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pick First, you're going to pick your topic. Then you're going to write your topic sentence like I wrote. Then your fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, your conclusion sentence. And we've worked on all these things before, right? We've talked about what comes first, what comes second, what comes third. And then it says my checklist. Did I use capital letters? So when you get all done, you need to go back and say, did I use all capital letters? Yes. Oh, Ms. Schultz will get to put an X there. Did I use period, exclamation points, or question marks? Yes. Looks like I did. I would get to put an X. Did I reread my sentence and make changes if needed? Have I reread it yet? So I need to reread it, I would say. I know a lot about tennis. Does that need any changes? No. You need a racket and a ball to play tennis. That sounds good. You can play singles or doubles. That sounds good. The server keeps score. Sounds good. Tennis can be a fun game to play. That sounds good, so I will be able to put an X there. If I do all that and get all this done and I still get done before it's time to move on, then you may pick up another piece of paper and you may do something else on your list to go through it again. Okay? So today you get to fill this out with your topic. Are you going to be writing about tennis? Not necessarily. You're going to pick. Maybe you wrote sharks, dolphins, grass, basketball, soccer, anything that you put on your list. So you can get out your writing folder, you get out your list, you put a check mark what you're going to write about, and then you start thinking about your facts. Do we write opinions for facts? Things that we think are true? Tennis is fun? No. Facts. Those things that we sticky noted, like someone read this book about bears and said that bears can be 8 feet tall. That is a fact. It's about bears. Okay? Cool. It is going to be red. If you need something, you just raise your hand and I will come to you. But we need to have our thinking caps on so we are ready to write because it's hard to write when a lot of things are going on. So go ahead, if you're wearing blue, go ahead and go back to your seat, get your writing folder out, grab this, and you may start writing. If you're wearing green, if you're wearing orange, and the rest of you may go quietly. Wow, I love how I see some people getting right to work. Awesome job. I'm excited to read these, and you're all becoming authors of nonfiction informational text. Okay, keep working quietly.